Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make this simple beaded smoothie or summer drink. So let's get started. What you'll need is 14 inches or 35 centimeters of 28 gauge wire. And I use this wire. I used to use Parawire, black copper Parawire that I got on firemountaingems.com, but I ran out of it, so this is just from my local bead store. But I actually like Parawire better. Sorry, the camera's blurry here. Alright, so for beads, you will need, for the smoothie part, I'm just using pink. This is actually a little lighter pink, but I think it's these two. But you'll need 18 pink beads, and then for the glass around it, you'll need 18 clear beads. And for the straw, this one is a red and white straw, but I'm going to do a green and white straw this time. So you'll need 6 green beads and 6 white beads. You will also need scissors to cut your wire and a ruler to measure your wire. You also need something to hold your beads in. So now let's get started. So take your 14-inch or 35 centimeter piece of 28 gauge wire and kind of loosely fold it in half. And now you're going to put 6 clear beads onto your wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now center those and hold them with your thumbs like that. And take one of the sides of your wire, loop it around and through those beads. And pull tight, and make sure before you tighten it all the way that your wires are even on both sides. And now kind of just flatten it out like that so it makes a line. Now you're going to strip your wires back and put 1 clear bead on your wire. And then put 2 pink beads on your wire. And then put a white bead on your wire, or the first color of whatever straw color you're using. And then another pink bead. And finally another clear bead. Bring them down, fold them down, and take whatever wire does not have beads on it and loop it around and through all of the beads on your other wire. Now pull tight. Now you're going to put a clear bead on your wire. Put 2 pink beads on your wire. And you're going to want to make sure you always use the same wire to put the beads on. Usually this doesn't matter, but it does because we want the straw to line up to be in one row. So now you're going to put the next color of the straw, which for me is green. And then put 1 more pink bead on your wire and another clear bead. Bring all those beads down if they're not done already. Fold them across and loop your empty wire around and through the beads. And pull tight. And now you're going to do the same thing you did on the layer before. So it would go clear, pink, pink, white, pink, clear. clear, pink, pink, white, pink, and another clear. Now bring those down, fold them across, and take your empty wire and loop it through all the beads. Now you're going to do the same one but with a green bead for the straw instead of a white bead. So to go clear, pink, pink, green, pink, clear. Clear, pink, pink, green, pink, and clear. Fold them down and string your wire through those beads. And now you're going to do another row of clear, pink, pink, white, pink, clear. Clear, pink, pink, white, pink, and clear. Do the same process. And pull tight. Now we're going to do one more of that. One more row of clear, pink, pink, green, pink, clear. Clear, pink, pink, green, pink. That should be your last pink and your last clear. Hold it down and string your wire through. Just like that. And now you're going to put a single white bead on your wire. Bring it down and kind of fold your wire across and line it up with the rest of the straw beads. And just hold it there with your thumb and take your empty wire and string it across. And make sure it is lined up. And now you're going to want to hold it in place with your finger and just crease your wire like this so it just stays in relatively the same place. Now, making sure it's stayed in place, you are going to put a green bead on your wire, bring it down, take your empty wire and string it across. And you might want to adjust it. And once you tighten it all the way, it will hold its place a lot better. There we go. It's a little crooked, so I'll just try and adjust it a little more. There we go. Now you're going to put a white bead on your wire and just keep alternating green and white until you run out of beads. So, adding another green. And another white. And your final bead, which should be green or red or whatever color you're using. And pull tight. And now you're going to take one of your wires and loop it around and through the same bead. Pull it tight. And take this wire and loop it around the other way. Like that. And now bring both wires together and twist to secure. And cut off the excess. Don't cut too low. And now I'm just going to fold down this little wire bit like that. And we're almost done. You can leave your straw up straight or you can bend it like I did. So I'm just going to bend it like that. And there you have your little summer drink or smoothie, or it could probably be lemonade too, or use if you, depending on what color you make the drink on the inside. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and it was easy to follow, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!